Hi, it's Mrs. Becken. I'm back with another strategy of how you can help support your child at home with math of adding two-digit numbers. So the previous strategies we used were place value blocks and decomposing. Today we are going to look at how we can use the number line to help us add. So if we have 35 plus 28, we're going to start at the greater number. So I'm going to start at 35. And I'm going to decompose 28, just like we did with decomposing, to add into place value 20 and 8. And I'm going to add 35 plus 28. I like to add my tens first, but there's nothing saying that you can't add the ones first. It's personal preference. Now, when we're first starting this off, we might add plus 10. 35 plus 10 is 45. If your child needs to draw place value blocks 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35 plus 10, that's 45. We do want them to notice the pattern when I add 10, it's the tens place changes, goes from 3 to 4. And then I can add another 10 because I'm adding 20. You can ask your child, well, we added 10 so far. How many tens are we supposed to add? Oh, we're supposed to have 2 tens. We need to add another 10. I can use my place value blocks, or I know 4 tens and one more 10 is 5 tens, and my ones place stays the same. So I like to do a little cross off saying, yep, I added 20. I need to now add 8. So there's 2 ways you could do this. We like to teach the students that we make 10 to add because 10 is easy, or multiples of 10. So I could count on 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. That's what I could do. But I like to break apart this 8 into 5 and 3. And I know 5 and 3 is the same as 8. That's why these facts for our students are important to know. They need to know that 5 and 3 is the same as 8. And I'm going to add 5 because 55 plus 5 is 60. I like multiples of 10 because it's easy to add to, because now I added 5. I'm going to add 3 more, and that gets me to 63. I'm going to cross this off. Some students get confused about, wait a second, I need to add 8. Well, ask them, okay, we added 5 and 3. How much is 5 and 3? Well, I know 5 and 3 is 8. We added the 8. We just broke it up to make it easier. So that is one way. You could, and I'm going to back us up here a minute. For students who are ready, make sure you can still see the number line. I'm going to start at 35, and I'm going to go ahead and add 20. You don't need to break that 20, and I'm going to decompose that into 20 and 8. You can do plus 20, and I know 35 plus 20 is 55 because 3 tens plus 2 tens is 5 tens, and my ones place stays the same. Okay, so 35 plus 20 is 55. I'm going to add 5. Again, I can cross off that 20. I'm going to add 5, which is 60. And I'm going to add 3 more, which is 63. And I can say, yep, I've added 8 because I added 20. I added 5. 20 plus 5 is 25. And 3 more is 28. So I added 28. So my total, or my sum, is 63.